Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is intraday. We're gonna see what happened for Nasdaq and SPX. So basically today we saw a potential 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Now basically this wave 5 can be already unfolding, but I still see some problems here. Where your wave 4, as we said, this is an invalidation, of course, for the bearish here, has been taken somehow with a wick, small wick. And now, of course, the wick can be considered, but don't forget that we take this also from a wick. Sometimes, okay, it can be like very rare, like 5%, that it might continue the trend, even if you take the invalidation, especially with the wick. Right, so basically, anyway, we were looking anyway for lower. We are, of course, much more here tending to have a top, for the market, and we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I believe that this is your wave 5 is unfolding. Now, I heard some news, of course, regarding this as well, that that Donald Trump is signing a draft potentially to fire the Fed. So that is a big deal right now. We might see a lot of volatility, of course, a huge pumps and jumps and even up and downs at the same time. So be careful, trade safe, of course, and nothing was not expected. The target has been hit as usual. Of course, everything is fine, but I'm just like wondering again, was this potential here invalidation the same as for the gold? We saw, of course, a very huge pump, knowing also we took the low and suddenly it started to pump very high. So the market, I would say, is not very stable, so trade safe, but everything is still, of course, as predicted and as, of course, expected. Targets taken in both gold and Nasdaq, so we have no problem with that. But it's very important to raise alert here and to be aware of what is going on. SPX as well, 500, we see, of course, the target has been hit 1-to-1 fib level. In case we gonna overshoot this 1-to-1 fib level, as we mentioned, we might shift directly for a wave 3 here rather than a zigzag. And here we go, you got a 1.27, which is uncommon target for a wave 3, can be unfinished yet, even like when you have 1, 2, and then wave 3 still can reach the 1.618, and therefore looking for a wave 4 and a 5 after all. So basically everything is also as expected for both Nasdaq and SPX. We're gonna see, of course, what's gonna be next. Now, of course, once we finish this impulse, can be wave A, can be wave B, C, hitting the next blue box for wave 4, as expected here. But if we overshoot it or we drop even lower than this, we might, of course, transform to a big correction here or deeper prices. We're gonna see step by step, already explained, of course, in the live stream today, and of course we're gonna see what's gonna happen next. That was it for SPX and Nasdaq, the intraday. Thank you for watching, thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.